Welcome again to Links 007 TV. Let's talk. So, Klyne and Nicky actually confronted Gio and Ken. That's what we're going to talk about right now, right here on Links 007 TV. Let's talk. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we'll be right back after the break with the details to come. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. So what I want to talk about today on the program is Klyne and Nicky actually confronting Gio and Ken over that previous video that they did about them. So there have been many follow-up videos from that leading on to this one. However, I'm only going to review the first and actually last video that came out between the two power couples on social media. So with that said, actually there were a number of videos that came out. They had the fans talking. Fans were becoming so irate about the whole entire situation. A number of them took to social media. A number of them took to the comment section. And they have been actually stating some real unkind things about the two couples. However, it turned out that the whole entire charade was a prank. And I can tell you that they actually got the fans. They got the fans. The fans were totally convinced that what they were doing were actually true, and this caused the whole social media to blow out of proportion with what was said in those two videos that were published on YouTube recently. But with that said, let me go over to the more recent video that Klyne and Nicky did in response to Gio and Ken. So let's go over to that right now on Links 007 TV.
The voice note me get for such man as it. You know me DM. You know me call such man. You see me? I don't know who me call such man already. Me get a voice note from him want to hear it. Instagram him link me pan as it.
But you know, me now go back and forth, bad man with you. You see me? Me say something in a video like yeah, this my dog. Brother, I never go on the video and listen at all. You hear that? I never go on the video and listen at all. You see me? Man to man, why? Alright, if you is this man, bro, I mean, me is this kid where we love cloud chase and really, I mean, I can this love cloud chase. Why we not fall face to face and allow the whole heap of video in a face to face? Why we can't confront each other? We can send you my location, bad man. You see me? Anything we have to say, or anything we have. Your girl have to say it face to face and done with the media thing then. Yeah, if you is this man and your girl is this woman, you see me, and we is this kid, make you confront each other then. We can send them a location there, we can send them a location, no joke.
Yeah, people, so you and me dinner. Shut it out my WhatsApp number, you see me? Dog send me the location, is it? So I don't know where my child do, where my child say, but I pull up.
Big off Ken face.
Is it? I pull up. I pull up, you see me? I'm going to pull up and see where dog I say then. You see me, I say. I show you what I'm saying in the WhatsApp, the location. I don't show you no man exact location still. You see me? I show you the same send me. That's it. Yeah, but this a man send me, is it? Ready? Yo, NK gang. Yeah, so at the road with the pan, you see me? Yeah, right now my sign is a mash me up and way up, me still out. You see me? I pull up in a real life, man, you see it? So you ones I see. Me not lie, me not expect the ones here move no kind of way like. That's some war vibes. You see what I say? What's no brain, you see me? Cause I don't know if I did so they leave, but me see so.
Suppose he said about some other people begin.
I wonder if I can't pack a play, because be a shuffle up this year. Be a shuffle up, me see I go and cut them up, play card pack or something.
Hard
Be a
dice.
shuffle up.
Almost
Yeah,
dice.
man, shuffle up, be a shuffle up.
Can you take somebody if you come in your yard and I'll know we can. Suppose,
So me not
look
text him
here.
back, eh?
Suppose I write yard. Suppose I not write yard.
What do you mean? What do you mean if I right now?
Oh, you sure say I write yard instant?
Unless you send me location, then drive away.
Video and the whole heap of thing them dog.
Right now.
So Nicky and Klyne,
Only bring it for the net, so why we can't video?
yo.
Only bring it for the net.
I tell them to before all over come, them come with the video. I tell them to yo, what's the name of the video?
Then no GSN, no GSN.
Yo.
So that was the actual video that made rounds on social media, which depicts Klyne and Nicky actually going to confront Gio and Ken at their apartment in Kingston. So with that said, this was actually the whole entire proceeding now that took place inside the building. Let's go to that. So that was the little confrontation there caught on camera. However, it all turned out to be a prank, and the two actually just sat down in order to settle their differences. And with that said, the fans were actually shocked to see that the two were actually not having a beef with each other. And this was what they had to say to their fans.
Yo, what's up? Yeah.
Yo, man, I did it now.
Yeah, on the seat. No sound no fight.
So we go to fight. Everybody expects to we fight, so
Yeah,
we not baga.
Yo, man, when I ask for drama, when you get
There.
drama.
We don't expect say Nicky and Klyne and Gia and Ken to
Fight.
Yeah, clash pan.
How was it?
Who
How
is
was
the
it?
bigger or who is the
How was
best?
it?
How
Tell
was
me,
it?
how was it? How was it?
It's no trailer.
We're active, you know?
Yo, bro.
Yo, we
Listen.
need to reach out to it. You know, we act good.
Only see
Well, there you have it. That was the response and the video that made rounds on social media that had the fans talking all about what took place between Klyne and Nicky, Gio and Ken. One of the most epic pranks I've seen to date, and it just goes to show you how creativity plays a very vital role in you surviving on this enormous platform. So much respect goes out to Gio and Ken. I can tell you that this prank, it was well delivered, well thought out, it was on point to the T, and I can tell you that this is really a very good prank. It was well put together. The whole entire script behind the plan itself and how it was executed is well done. And the fact that you know that this was actually a planned and thought out, orchestrated attack on the fans was that the fans were talking and they know that they have hit the nail right on his head. So much respect goes out to Gio and Ken. Much respect goes out to Klyne and Nicky for providing us with this wonderful and epic prank to date. Much respect goes out to the two power couples there. So you can just drop it in the comment section to let me know how you feel about this. How do you think? Were you convinced that this was actually a prank? And how you felt in the end to actually find out that this was not really actual beef between the two couples? Let me know in the comment section. I can tell you that it's one of those epic moments. But much love, much respect goes out to you, the two, and continue to watch Links 007 TV. We'll always keep you up to date with what's going on in the world of entertainment and also news reports as well. This is a place where you get that. So this is where I'm gonna sign out for this one. Much love, much respect goes out to you as always, the viewers, wherever you're watching in the world. Much respect as always, and continue to subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell if it's the first time you're watching, and let's grow this channel over here. Alright, peace out and bless.